Okay, this part of the playlist is going to take care of the last section of the test, was the triangle proportionality. So proportions was key here. And so for the last 3 questions here, I believe they were majority open-ended, okay? And so, yeah, so you had to have more work, or work needed to be shown. So on this first one, they want you to find DC. You gotta remember that's this whole segment here. So whenever you have an angle bisector like we do right here, it breaks it into 2 parts. You have the left part here, the 6 and the x plus 1. So on our rework, it's 6 over the x plus 1 equals, and then we go to the right part, so which is, or right section, right side, 14 over 2x plus 3. Now there is definitely work here, mainly because you're going to have to cross multiply, and because we have these expressions being multiplied, we have these binomials. Like with the first one, this is 14 parentheses x plus 1. And then this was 6 times the parentheses 2x plus 3. So you have to distribute. And so I was looking that you got to the 14x plus 14 equals, and then when you distribute your 6, the 12x plus 18. And because now you're solving the equation, okay? Solving for x. You had to get the x to get to DC, okay? So here I'm going to kind of do each part. So I'm going to isolate the variable, subtract the 12x. That will cancel this side, and then subtract the 14. That will cancel here. So this comes out to be 2x on the left side. 14x minus 12x is 2x. And then 4 on the right side. Now we're solving for x. So that means we're dividing by 2. I'll put it over here. Our x equals 2. But that's not DC. DC was the expression 2x plus 3. So you had to take this value for 2 and plug it in. So we're saying 2 times 2, then plus 3. I know that's a bad font. Apologize for that. So really, our DC was 7. Okay. So we're looking for that final answer. And so yeah, I checked for your setup. I checked that you did the cross products correctly. You had the right equation, and then you got definitely to the x, and then you got to the DC. So there were several things. So make sure you have your reworking to this problem. Tell me why you missed it and what you can do next time. All right. All right, and then what we're going to do here on this next problem, you need the diagram. So you might want to have to redraw this for your original work part, or this original. But you also have to label what they gave us. We know that the lines are parallel, but it tells us we're going to find EF, so that's the part we're missing. But we know that BC is 18, so this section is 18. AB is 12, this section is 12, and DE is 14. And so when we rework this, okay, that's right. Remember we do left side, this is like a proportion on the left side. So the left side is 12 over 18. To the right side, that would be 14 over x. So now we have to at least show the proportion, or at least show the cross product. So because when you cross multiply here, okay, we're going to get 12x equals, I think I forgot to do that. So let me do this right now. If it'll come out with the 18. Ooh, times 14. Sorry, guys. That was 252. And then we're solving for x, so we're going to divide, that's a horrible font, by 12. And to get our x, let me scroll up just a little bit. There we go. Got room. Our x was 21. Okay. And then, yeah. And that was the EF that we need to find. So this one worked because EF, which is the section that we needed to get, was our x. So that means EF was 21. So again, don't forget, you tell me why you missed it. Oops. Why you missed. What can you do next time? And then our final problem. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, there we go. All right, on here, they wanted you to find the missing side. So this little question mark, this piece right here that we're trying to find, that's like our unknown, our x. And again, proportionality means we're going to have some portions here. So on the rework, we're going to have 8 over 12, not 12, sorry, 8 over 20 equals to this part. And I'm looking at the parts across each other. So this would be 18 over x because it's 20s across the x right there. And again, we're going to cross multiply here. Okay. Oops, got that. So this is 8x equals 360. And then we're going to divide by 8. There's an 8, guys. So, and to get our value for, yeah, because they just wanted the missing side here. I thought they were asking, yeah, they just want that. So this x equals 45. Okay. All right, so that takes care of that. And then just tell me what you missed and what you can do next time. And so the last part of the test, I believe, was just, let me get to that. Yeah, number 15 was just uploading. So there's no work there. Okay. So that takes care of everything. Make sure you have your rework. You tell me what you have. It all 4 parts. This is the key to get a retest score. Your corrections will be equivalent of your retest. What is that? And then the completion of that. And I will change those grades as soon as that gets turned into me. And then you can go on to the next assignment. All right. Thanks, guys.